might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's having a great day. Marie and I, we're here in our car this morning. That usually means we're going somewhere, don't it, Marie? but we're not headed to the mountains today. We're going to go up to, we're going to Walmart's actually to buy some groceries. And we've got a pretty good supply of most everything that we need where we bought things from Sam's Club. But there's just some basic items that we need. I know we need a dozen eggs, don't we, or a carton of eggs. And just a few little items. We need some Werther's Originals sugar-free, and they don't carry those at Sam's. So there's a few items we got to go pick up, and so that's where we're headed to, is Walmart's this morning. And I do have a list. I did not total it up. We just wrote down everything that we needed. And Marie told me last night that she had 2 recipes that she wanted to make. There's a quick look at the list. And she had 2 items that she wanted to cook on video. And so we had to pick up a few items for those recipes.
And also I have to carry 2 things back that didn't work out.
Oh, okay. And we don't have to do that very often, do we, Marie?
No.
Okay, so we're headed to Walmart's. Y'all come go with us, and we'll try to record as much as we can on the inside. We're not getting an early start, so it may be noisy in there, but we'll do the best we can.
Okay, I'm getting a head of lettuce for $1.87. I'm getting 2 bags of cucumbers, and they're $1.97 each. Okay, I'm getting a bag of onions for $2.87. I'm getting some Roma tomatoes for $1.28 a pound. Okay, I got 4 lemons, and they're 64 cents a piece. Okay, I'm getting some Eckrich smoked sausage at $3.27. I'm getting some Oscar Mayer wieners at $2.84. Okay, I'm getting 2 cups of mozzarella cheese at $1.97, and this is a rollback. Okay, I'm getting this, it's sliced sharp cheddar cheese, and it's 12 slices for $1.97. Okay, I got some white turkey, and it's $3.93. For 18 eggs, large, they're $3.97. I have some margarine here, and it's $3.43, and we like to put this on our toast. And then also I got this margarine here, and it's, what did you say, Calvin?
$1.24 each.
Okay, and also got some margarine, and they are $1.24 each.
Okay, and we're getting an 8-pack of Powerade Zero, and this is $5.98. This is my favorite drink.
Okay, I'm getting 50 square feet of aluminum foil, and it is $4.28. Okay, we're getting some wavy chips for $2.96. I'm getting some sparkling ice. I have different flavors, blackberry, and these are $1.08 a piece. I have a kiwi strawberry, and this right here is pink grapefruit. When I go out to Sam's, I always get me a whole box of them, but I'm running low. Okay, I'm getting a pack of hot dog buns for $1.46. They're the great value. Okay, I'm getting 4 pounds of sugar for $3.46. Okay, I'm getting 2 pounds of grits at $1.92, and this is Jim Dandy. Okay, I'm getting some sugar-free Werther's, and they're $6.82. Okay, I'm getting some Wyler's chicken cubes for $2.97. Okay, I'm getting some Lipton's onion soup mix at $1.92. Okay, I'm getting some French onion soup for $1.72, and I need this for a recipe. Okay, I'm getting some. Okay, I'm getting some instant potatoes. These are $1 a pack, and this is the buttery potatoes. And then I'm getting another pack, and this one is also $1, and it's the roasted garlic cream cheese, and this is $3.26. Okay, I'm getting some Mount Olive's banana pepper rings, and they're $4.53.
Okay, Marie, are you ready to check out now?
I sure am.
Okay.
I'm glad to meet one of our subscribers.
Yeah, this
Yes.
is Jamie.
Jamie.
Yes.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet y'all too.
Yes, nice to meet you. Okay, everyone, we're back from Walmart's. This is our once a week shopping trip at Walmart's, and we got almost everything that we need, but we still are going to have to make another trip, and we'll probably go to Aldi's sometimes in a couple of days. But our little once a week trip, it was $86.13, and there's no use of me showing everything individually because I showed it to you in the store. And so also, boy, this stuff right here has really went up. Oh me. But as we all know, everything has. But anyway, so I did get some more things that I didn't show y'all, so I'll show you right now. They had some capris and stuff on sale for $5, so I couldn't pass that up. And I have them on some right now, and I don't know if you can see them or not. Can y'all see these? Okay, these are what I like to wear instead of shorts. So I said, I can't pass that by. So I got me a couple of pairs of capris. And then they had some, they're called, this one right here says, Jesus loves you. And it says, blessed girl. I like wearing the oversized t-shirts. And they were, this one was $13.99. No, yeah, let me see for sure. Okay, I don't want to tell y'all a lie. Yeah, that's right. This one was $13.98, and then this one right here was $14.98. So a girl can't have too many t-shirts. So I bought a couple of them, and then I do have to get on camera a lot. So I know y'all don't want to see me in the same thing all the time. And so that little trip was $52.37. So I got a pretty good bit of clothes to wear around and I call it kicking around clothes. Not nothing that you'd want to wear anywhere fancy, but I just like to be comfortable. So I got me a few clothes like that to wear around. That's when I am most happy, is when I have on comfortable clothes. And all of you that like to drink, all of you that like to dress fancy, I'm not throwing off anything on you either. We all are different. We all like to, some of us like to dress comfortable, and some of us like to just dress how they want to. And so that's the way we all are. We're just different. We all dress the way we want to, don't we? Also today I met Jamie, and she was just the sweetest person. She said, Calvin and Marie. And I was shocked. She come over there and she says, I watch y'all on YouTube. And so I'm always, amazed when somebody says that to me. And so I told her that I was glad to meet her, because when we do a video. We can't see y'all, but y'all see us, and y'all know us, and we can't see you. So it's always nice to get a face on the other side of the camera. And so, I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice, y'all. But anyway, it was nice to meet her. And like Calvin always says, when you're out and you see us, just come up and talk to us. We really enjoy seeing you. So I guess we're going to close this video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest.